why it's Old Man Winters. We would have got away with it too if it wasn't for you fishing line and that pesky dog. Welcome to Chesser Motorsports. That's my boy Dominic, my buddy. All right, let's say you're cruising down the street. You got your old IS300 and you're drifting with your buddies. Slide into your pal, tear up your little IS300. All right, so check it out here. All right, you end up with your bumpers all tore off, tore all to pieces. And your little mustard moto radiator ends up get broken. And you end up having to, well, you gotta get rid of your bumper. Well, now, you can get one of these here bash bars from Chesser Motorsports. This is one of our prototypes. So you got the V's in the middle, got the end bars, a lot more rigid. All right, we got your bolt holes laid out a little better than what the one we had. That way, you can put your bolts in without having to have a little ratchet. You can actually put that in with the impact. The welds are all TIG welded by hand. Ain't no robots over here drawing a check. These jewels is all hand welded. We got a little bit of primer on her now, still kind of wet. We'll let it dry. But this is our prototype. If you're going to want a bash bar for an IS300, give us a shout. Chesser Motorsports, Chesser Drifting, and also Dominic Chesser 07 on Instagram. Check us out. We got what you need. All right, here we go. All right, so we're back with the bash bar. It's getting a little dark on us, so we just finished up with what we could on the paint. May have some handprints on it. I don't know. We're just trying to get it on. Just get some footage of it, see how it fits for, you know, it's too dark on us. We won't see it and look at it. But let's see what we got. All right. That's our new bash bar. The height is different right there and right there, but that's the car, not the bar. I used to write rhymes back in the day. But, all right, there's a new bash bar. Let's take a step back. Let's look at it, see what you get. More aggressive, a lot more rigid. It's hard to tell right now because it's just a primered black. But if you're drifting IS300, got your quality bash bar right there, boys and girls. All right, here we go. All right, so I got the final ingredients to the Midnight Purple 2 paint. So let's see what we got here. Pay no attention to the finish job. We're looking at the color here. It goes from a blue to a purple. So it actually looks pretty good. I was putting the clear on it, and it wasn't, I mean, it looked good. It just, you know, wasn't super crazy. But then I put that second coat of clear on it, and boy, it really came out. So actually turned out pretty good, I think. So I'm doing the headlight bezel on the floor there, and I don't know what all else I'm gonna do. I'm just trying it out, see what it looks like. Yeah, we're drifting tomorrow. Got tires and stuff in the truck ready to go. So we're ready to do that thing. So I'm about to call it a day. I've already got everything loaded as far as in the ways of tires. We're just taking my son's car. We're not actually going to take the 240. So we'll just have one on the rollback. He'll be riding with me in the morning. And yeah, so all right, here we go. So these are a couple of tires. I bought these rims from Gary's used tires. I use Gary's on all my tires. So he got me these, what are they, Accelera. Let me see, yeah, an Accelera. I don't know if you can see it down there. But it's an Accelera. I don't remember even the number on it. 225/45. It's a 95Y tire. We're gonna give these a shot. We got some more used ones, but the tread on these actually look pretty good. So we want to run some new tires. We're gonna give that a shot, see how it goes. So we ended up picking up a couple of, that's a Dunlop, I think, just some used tires just to make a couple laps. We got Angel, the guy in the white 350Z that Dominic tandemed with. You'll probably see it in the video before this or two. But he's needing some tires. He didn't have a chance to get all his tires squared away, and so we're going to spot him some tires this weekend, so that way he can go, because he's been working and he hadn't had a chance to get any tires. So they're getting harder to find, especially used. Guys like us are burning them up. So, but yeah, we're gonna help Angel out. We'll get some footage of Angel doing his thing, do some drifting. All right, here we go.
I'm feeling high.